Welcome to Gaming, the new channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, the stock market. And this is another closing bell video, and I can tell you, my friends, I can tell you, it looks impressive. It looks so green. It's a bear market rally. And maybe no, we all say it's a bear market rally. This means we are still in the bear market and we're just rallying now. But on the other hand, you could also assume that we could already, or maybe we managed to reach the bottom in the market. So maybe we have now some support and we can go back to some higher levels. So I don't know if this is going to happen the second semester of this year, the second half of this year. No one knows. I mean, if you listen to CNBC, they already also all thing, yeah, the market coming back 10%, 20%. We will see, my friend. So this is my channel, Gaming Fin, Gaming Industry and Finance. I make those closing bell videos, but I also make other videos, like for example about Embracer, Paradox Interactive. I talk about CD Projekt. Also, I talk a lot about gaming industry stocks. So if you like this, comment, like, and subscribe. Of course, this would help me a lot, guys. So let's come back. So yeah, before I forget it, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor myself. This is for entertainment and information purpose only. Make up your own mind. Don't buy anything in this video. You can lose a lot of money. Yes, you go bankrupt and you have to live under a bridge. That's what happens if you listen to me. So guys, let's go to the NASDAQ. I mean, look at this. So we really managed to bounce back from 11,500, bouncing back to 12,700 more or less. So this is an impressive closing. Of course, why is this happening? Yeah, it's before the weekend we had a long weekend. Well, I don't know actually if we had in the US a long weekend, but before the weekend a lot of short positions are closed down. So today was an important day when it comes to shorting. And then also we get then mostly this little bounce back, especially in those stocks that are heavily shorted, very important. And yeah, and then actually, that's a bit scary. I mean, having a candle like this, it looks like we are falling back. So I'm kind of sure that we're falling back. So that's not just happening in 1 week. That actually the bear market is ending. So I would love to see a nice sideways movement here, because this gives me some time to invest some more money that I have, that I'm not having right now, but that I'm earning with my day life job. So therefore this would be actually great. So I don't actually want us to go immediately up again. So even that I have huge investments, of course, already in the market. So well, I have time. I'm a long-term investor. I have time. So here people always say, yeah, they invest for the 10 years, 5 years. So I don't have any time frame at the moment. I'm just investing. So I don't need my money now. So there's nothing that I want to spend my money on. So if we go back to the heat map, you see an Apple, a Google, and then Amazon. For example, I wanted to buy Google already a long time ago. I didn't, so now it's getting expensive again. All of those are up. Tesla is up. Yeah, Tesla is up because of this Twitter situation. I think you heard about this. So I think it was Elon Musk is now not securing some loan to buy Twitter shares for the acquisition of Twitter with Tesla shares, something like this. The Microsoft up, that's nice. Apple is up, and what the only ones that are down are actually Pfizer and AbbVie and Bristol Myers Squibb. So healthcare companies, and then tobacco companies. So, but honestly, who is smoking? No one smokes anymore. I don't understand tobacco companies at all. All right, so I think guys, we also have to take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin actually I'm not so worried about Bitcoin. I'm a little bit more worried about the altcoins, and with altcoins I mean like Ethereum and everything like is Ethereum. So if we compare now Bitcoin with Ethereum, looks pretty much the same. You don't really see any difference here. So, but if we Ethereum and the altcoins, they were massively dropping. So, and here we see we were coming also in a very short time frame. We're coming down from March, end of March, 3,500, 600 in Ethereum down to now 1,750. So this is here hopefully some support line. So hopefully some support. Otherwise, there's a high risk that we will break through maybe to even 6, 7, 800 US dollars in Ethereum. So, and if I look at Bitcoin, it's the same, guys. It's the same. There is always a risk that we break through, and then we can fall to 12,000 or 13, 14,000. So it's difficult to say. It's not so clear. You can't say now we're falling exactly to this valuation. Therefore, are we going to see a rally in Bitcoin? At the moment, Bitcoin is not really moving parallel to the NASDAQ, so that's, I have to say, this is actually a good thing. So I want Bitcoin not to be moving parallel to the high growth tech stock. So I want Bitcoin to be what it's nowadays dedicated. It's like the digital gold. So that's yeah, that's what I want with my Bitcoin investment. Obviously, I'm invested in Bitcoin. And then, my friends, I would also say, as always, I'm jumping to make a short overview of the gaming stocks at the closing. So Razer is down again 21%. So yesterday they were up, I think, 35% or something like this. So it means actually there is something completely different going on. And I cannot tell you at the moment what it is. Maybe it has something to do with the listing in Hong Kong, maybe the US listing. I don't know, guys. It's very difficult to say. 21% down today, and yesterday so much up from 25 cents to 30. So this is a little bit weird. And also Nintendo down, and CI games actually down today as well. So I was almost buying some more CI games today. Naken is down, Tencent and Electronic Arts is now down, Ubisoft also. And then if we look here on the other side, we have a Unity and a GameStop and an Embracer that are massively up today. NVIDIA, of course, Corsair as well. So games that are kind of shorted a lot. So Embracer, I don't really know. So GameStop still shorted. I don't know that anyone is still shorting GameStop. Didn't read anything about this, but I'm happy that Unity actually comes back. So even if I actually expected or hoped that Unity would go lower, and then I could buy some more. So let's have a look at GameStop, guys. Let's have a look at GameStop. So this is GameStop. So I mean, it's trading very particular. So you always have those huge rallies, and obviously if you miss the entry point, you're also missing the huge rally. And most people, I think, were buying GameStop probably here, though they are still in the minus if they didn't buy some more GameStop on the way down. So obviously, so it looks like this will be faded. That means this will be sold. I don't think that GameStop comes massively back. So, but never say never, and especially never short GameStop. So and then I'm personally, and don't do this, this is extremely high risky. I'm personally trading a little bit Lunar with this euro together. All of this on Kraken, and this was working so nicely here, guys. I was cashing in massively over the time, and then they decided to make 1,000 more ticks. So here we were at the end of the ticks level, and now they decide to make 1,000 more ticks, and then we had a little pump. So I made some money this morning with this pump, and since then we were actually falling. So here I was also trading a little bit in this range. So I will see if I also continue trading Luna versus Euro. I mean, guys, it's a dead coin. It's a dead coin. If you buy it immediately, and you sell it immediately. So immediately, I mean, this is really high frequency manual trading if you don't have a trading bot, because you're fighting actually against trading bots here. So that's very important. So ultra high risky, guys. You can lose a lot of money. And then gaming biz. Let's check out what we have on gaming biz. Is there an insight for the industry merger mania? So that's a good question, because a lot of gaming companies are merging, and I asked this myself already. Fellow traveler on why indies will always need digital events. Ludo Naracon. Microsoft shelves Keystone Xbox streaming device. Platform holder says it will work on other ways to expand audience for cloud gaming. Sony announces live-action adaptations of God of War, Horizon, and Gran Turismo. So greatest opportunity for more streaming content distribution. Ravens Union came from business as usual. So Activision scandals didn't help, but the spark that led to this week's historic vote was an unremarkable round of layoffs. So they're kicking out people. Big Fish Games appoints Larry Plotnick as president. So Thunderful and Big Fish. I don't really have them knowing what they're doing now. 1 month left to enter the UK Best Places to Work award. Phil Spencer to recognize Ravens Union once Activision Blizzard merger is done. And what else do we have? Hayo Infinite head of design leave 343 Industries. Next Scan Cyberpunk 2077 double CD Projects Q1 profits. PlayStation version accounted for majority of post-update sales. Studio now primarily focused on story expansion. So this is what's going on. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So as always, leave me a comment, give me a like, and of course subscribe to my channel. This would be awesome. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.